Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all are fit and fine. Dear students, you know that third wave of corona is supposed to come. So be at your home, be attentive and wash your hands frequently. Today I am going to teach you about adjectives. You already learned about noun and pronoun, but today we will study about adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or a pronoun, and it can be placed before or after the noun. Adjectives are basically tells us more about noun. वो noun और pronoun के बारे में they tells us more कि which type of noun is there, which one कौन सी चीज, that bag, that biscuit, these books, those mats, और they tells us what kind, किस type का noun है. It was big or large or sweet or dull or beautiful. They also tells us how many, कितने, कि there were some pens, all the dogs were barking, several choices, most faculties, four cards which we can count. Okay, and adjectives also tells us how much, kitna, how much help, plentiful supply, little motivation, कितनी हम कर सकते हैं, how many जिसको हम count कर सकते हैं, but how much which we cannot count. Now come to the types of adjectives. First of all, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tells us about the nature of a person, place or thing. यानी किस टाइप की है वो, यानी अगर if we ask a question to the verb what kind, so what the answer we will get, it means that is the adjective of quality. Suppose the examples are said, honest, beautiful, bright. Let us have some examples to make it more clear. Shreya is a tall girl. Here tall is an adjective of quality. But how we will come to know that it is adjective of quality? Let us have the question, what kind? What kind of girl is Shreya? ये आपको देखिए यहाँ लिखा हुआ है what kind of girl is Shreya. तो we will say Shreya is a tall girl. What kind, कैसी लड़की है, tall girl. तो we get the answer tall. It means it is adjective of quality. Have one more example. The Nile is a big river. What kind of river is Nile? What kind, किस type की है? A big river. So we will get the answer big. So it is adjective of quality. If we want to know what kind, so then whatever the answer we get, that is adjective of quality. Second is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tells us about the quantity of things we are talking about. It tells us कितना है वो, the answer. If we want to get the answer how much, कितना, so whatever the answer we get, that is adjective of quantity, like some, enough, much or no. Let us clear through some examples. There are some rice in the plate. Let's have a question, how much rice in the plate? If I ask how much rice in the plate, so you will say some rice in the plate. So we get answer some. So it is adjective of quantity. One more example. There is no sugar in the house. I ask the question, how much sugar in the house? How much, कितनी sugar है? So you will say no sugar. It means it is adjective of quantity. You make clear that for the adjective of quality, you ask what kind, and for adjective of quantity, you ask how much. Isn't it? Third is adjective of number. Adjective of number tells us about the number of persons or thing we are talking about. मतलब कितनी है वो चीज, कितने काउंटिंग में कितनी है. if we ask the question how many, so whatever the answer we will get, that is adjective of number. Suppose we ask, we spotted two birds in the park. I ask, how many birds were in the park? How many birds were spotted in the park? You will say, ma'am, two birds. So we get the answer two birds. It means two is the adjective of number. Okay. One more example. Several students were caught cheating. I ask, how many students were caught cheating? कितने बच्चे cheating कर रहे थे? You will say several students. It means it is adjective of number. In this adjective of number, you can also include second, fourth, suppose fourth prize, and in the fourth row, या फिर first row, and you can also few minutes, some books, each, every. These can be also uh, counting in the number of adjective. Demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjective is used to point at a specific person or thing we are talking about. It's demonstrative. I already taught you in my video of pronoun. In demonstration का मतलब है about whom we are demonstrating. Point out करना, किसी की तरफ finger करे, कितना, जैसे which one. They answer the question which one, कौन सा, which one. So whatever the answer we will get, that will be the demonstrative adjective. This pen, that, कौन सा pen, that pen. Which house, that house. Those books. Let us clear through some examples. I found this book on the bed. So which book you found on the bed? So this book. So this is the demonstrative adjective. These books are from the library. So which books are from the library? So you will say these books are from the library. That means these, this, those, these are the demonstrative adjective. Next is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are those adjectives which used to ask questions about a person or a thing. जो किसी क्वेश्चन और थिंग के बारे में क्वेश्चन करती हैं, किसी पर्सन के बारे में, थिंग के बारे में और द प्लेस के बारे में. से व्हाट, WH फैमिली बेसिकली, व्हाट, whose, where, when, why or who. Let us clear through some examples. Whose books are lying on the table? Whose books are lying on the table? So it means it is interrogative adjective. What time is this? Beta, one more thing. Don't be confused between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun, demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Interrogative adjective, it always come before noun. ये noun से पहले आता है. देखिए, whose books. Books is a noun. तो whose is there? It is interrogative. If there is what is there any verb, so that it will be interrogative pronoun. Okay. Interrogative adjective हमेशा noun से पहले आता है और interrogative pronoun always come before a verb. In the same way, demonstrative adjective, I already taught you in my previous videos. Now come to the possessive adjective. Possessive adjective shows the possession or belongingness. They answer the question whose, kiska, my book, your book, his book, our family, her family. तो किसकी ये चीज, तो whatever the answer we get, that is possessive adjective. It also comes before noun. Karan put his books on the table. I ask, whose books are kept on the table? So you will say his books. His is possessive adjective. His books, that means his is possessive. This is my pen. Again, my is coming before now. So, kiska pen? Whose pen? My pen. Okay. You just ask the question, whose. Next is emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives are used to emphasize a statement. It reduces the effort of the noun they are modifying. It means they are giving pressure on the noun, but we क्या करते हैं कि जो main noun होता है उसकी importance को थोड़ा कम कर देते हैं. If taken away from the sentence, if we remove the emphasized adjective from a sentence, they will still make complete sense. में कोई impact नहीं पड़ता अगर हम इनको sentence से हटा दे तो. So what are the examples? As total, such, absolute, own, very, utter. Let us see the example. It is sheer nonsense. If we remove the word sheer, there will be no change in the meaning. It is nonsense. But it is emphasizing the noun. कौन सा noun है ये? Abstract noun, nonsense. Mind your own business. Again, business is a noun, abstract noun. So it is impacting the business, emphasizing the word business, own business. So it means it is emphasizing adjective because it is coming before a noun, and it is emphasize the statement. Statement को और ज़्यादा effectively show कर रहा है. Okay. Now come to the next. Now let us come to another type of adjective, that is proper adjective. Proper adjective is basically formed from a proper noun. Proper noun से बनी होती है ये, and that is usually capitalized in English. You know very well that we write proper noun always in capital letter. Suppose your name, our country name India, your name Nisha, and whatever the name is there. So in the same way, proper adjective is also written in capital letter. Now let us make it clear. There is a proper noun. The America is a proper noun. I live in America. Here, America is a noun. So how to convert it into a proper adjective? So the proper adjective of America will be American. The 4th of July is an American holiday. It is a proper adjective. One more example. Italy is a proper noun. I born in Italy. Italy is here proper noun. So the proper adjective will be Italian. Italy is a proper noun. Italian is a proper adjective. Example is I love Italian food. It is also written in capital letter. China, it is a proper noun. Chinese is a proper adjective. Now see the example. How much does this Chinese robe cost? It is Chinese is here proper adjective. Now let us do some exercises. We saw dash animals at the zoo. What will be the answer? We saw animals at the zoo. We saw many animals in the zoo. Next, how dash oranges did you put in the box? Fill the adjective. How dash oranges. What will be the answer? How many oranges did you put in the box? Next, I have packed dash bottles of water. I have packed one bottle. No, because it is bottles. I have packed 2 bottles of water is also right. I have packed much bottles. No, because we can count the bottles. So where we can count, so we will use many, not much. So I have packed many bottles, या फिर 2 bottles or some bottles can be a correct answer. Let us do some more exercise. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences and write down to which type it belongs. आपको इसमें underline करना adjective को and also tell me the type of adjective. Carla won the second prize. Where is the adjective is here? यहाँ पर adjective कौन सी है? Carla, no, it is a proper noun. One, it is verb. The, it is an article. Second, prize. Here the word second is modifying the noun prize. Prize is a noun. कौन सा prize? Which prize? Second prize. So it is here. Second is an adjective. But कौन सी adjective है ये? Adjective of numeric counting बता रही है हमें. ठीक है? Now second sentence. Mind your own business. Here, where is the adjective? It is emphasizing adjective own because own word is emphasize the sentence. Emphasizing adjective. Let us one more example. On either side was a narrow lane. Here, a clue that there are two adjectives in this sentence. कौन कौन सी हैं? On either side. First of all, देखिए side is an noun. ठीक, किसी साइड का नाम बता रहा है. ठीक है, तो साइड को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है ईदर, तो इट इज ऑल्सो एन एडजेक्टिव. लेन, इट इज ऑल्सो अ नाउन. लेन यानी गली होती है ना, दैट इज अ नाउन. आपको मालूम है नेम, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग, दीज आर कॉल्ड नाउन. तो लेन इज अ प्लेस. ओके, तो विच टाइप ऑफ प्लेस? नैरो प्लेस. तो अब कौन कौन से एडजेक्टिव्स आर हियर? लेट अस नो. Either is a distributive adjective indicating, okay, and narrow is an adjective of quality. कौन सी lane? Narrow lane. What kind of lane? Narrow lane. Okay. One more sentence. That boy has got the prize. अब देखिए इसमें हमारा कौन सा adjective है? Boy is a noun. तो here that is indicating, indicate कर रहा है हमें. So that is a adjective. But कौन सा adjective है ये? Which type of adjective is there? Which boy? That boy. So demonstrative adjective. Okay. Next. There are several mistakes in your exercise. Okay. इधर देखिए ये जो your है ना, ये exercise is also a noun. Your है हमारा possessive adjective. Possession show कर रहा है. Okay. And there is one more adjective, several. Mistakes is an abstract noun and it is modifying through several. यानी mistakes के बारे में और बता रहा है. कैसी mistakes? Several mistakes. Okay. So which type of adjective is this? It is adjective of quantity. Okay. He claimed his half share of the booty. Here, claimed is a verb. His half share of the booty. Here, share is an abstract noun. Half is a adjective. So, what type of adjective is this? Let us see. Adjective of quantity. Counting wali. Quantity. Kitna. How much. Kitna share? Half share. Okay. Paris is a very modern city. Which kind of adjective is there and where is the adjective? Paris is a very modern city. देखिए modern भी इसमें adjective है और very, दो adjective है इसमें, एक साथ दो adjective आए हुए हमारे. तो we will see. तो what type of adjective is here? Modern, adjective of quality. कैसी city है? What kind of city? That is modern city. Okay. He has lost all his wealth. He has lost all his wealth. Wealth is a noun. तो his कौन सा हुआ? His show कर रहा है possession. Possessive adjective. Okay. And all is also an adjective. Let's see. Adjective of quantity. All is an adjective and it is adjective of quantity. Which books is yours? अब देखिए इसमें yours क्या है हमारा, possessive adjective और possessive pronoun. आपको मैंने बताया था, already told you that when it comes after a verb it is possessive pronoun. When yours is will come before a noun it will be possessive adjective. अगर ये yours आपका noun से पहले आता तो that is possessive adjective, but ये आपका verb के बाद आ रहा है, it is possessive adjective. But we have to see the adjectives, underline the adjectives. हमारा question ये है, तो which book is a noun here, तो we have to check कि which is which type of adjective. कौन सी बुक, विच वन, तो इट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ, क्वेश्चन मार्क भी आ रहा है, इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. ओके, आइडेंटिफाई द एडजेक्टिव्स एंड स्टेट what kind of adjective. One more exercise is there. In this exercise is for your homework. Just you can have the screenshot. Okay. Vikram is a gifted cricketer. In this exercise you write this exercise in your copy कि इसमें कौन सी एडजेक्टिव है and what kind. He did not eat any bread. Those papers are important. Which pen do you prefer? She is our English teacher. Fill in the blanks. The dash boy seemed lost and tired. In this sentence, you have to fill adjective of quality in the given blank. In the above given sentences, if Vikram is a gifted cricketer, you have to tell me the what kind of adjective, and okay. And in the second, fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks according to the given in the box. Look at dash cobwebs in the corner. Cobwebs क्या होते हैं बेटा? Cobwebs आपने देखा होगा, आपके घर में मकड़ी जाला बनाती है ना, that is called cobwebs. तो fill here demonstrative adjective. And the third sentence is you should give dash suggestion to your seniors. Here fill possessive adjective. It is sufficient, I think, from my side. Happy learning. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.